Lamphang bathamai jong Iing Dorbar thau an ke jilla Thomas A sangma ha ka sinengkong dalade hi ulahir banjurip ya ka Iing Dorbar ka badang te thymmai ka badon haniu shilong habakren bat kilak pathai kubor hadien ka jingjurip Lamphang ulai thu ru ba menta kinahap ban thau shua ya ka high power committee bathamai ya ka ban khle dama u hi na ka banta ban prinstet ya ka kam shushu ulai thu ru ba ya menta hi kim pat yo ya ka jing manjur nak IIT Roorkee bat IIT Guwahati ha ka bai dei bat udom bathamai kumcha ula pentip ba wala batharu ya ka tnat badei pe ban prinstet ya ka te ka kam Hakani ke jinglet jurip lai don lang ru ki officer na ka assembly kitnat badai lang bat ru kiwe.
Myself and all the officers of the from PWD and they from the contractor side also and from speaker's office also we have come here for the spot inspection of this assembly building which is being constructed, and first and foremost thing is that the design for the dome structure for the main hall, assembly hall, has not been approved yet. That's what we have come to know, and the decision that we have taken is that we will write to the IIT Guwahati to speed up or expedite the approval of the dome new design for the dome structure. And we will work on it, and we will also call the design associates which has prepared the master plan and the design for the entire building and the entire premises. So we will call them within this week and we will take a decision further. So now these are the main things that we have decided, and also we have to reconstitute the high-powered committee for this completion of this assembly building. So these are the few decisions that we have taken today.